Alright everyone, so I bought a new controller for my PS5 Pro. This is a DualSense Edge controller. Okay, so let's unbox this. I just want to show you guys what's inside the box. I haven't opened it yet, so let's open it together. Okay, alright, let's go. So we're gonna peel this away. We're gonna try to peel this away because it's, I don't think I'll probably rip it. Yeah, I think I ripped it. Okay, all right, it's not good, but let me just put this aside. Okay, now I'm gonna try to rip it from here, right? Okay, it should work, right? Okay. Let's just see. Let's put this aside. And I'm gonna try to peel it here. I don't have any struggling a little bit. Anyways, okay, let's just open it. Now we got our box. We're gonna open this. And let's see what's inside. This has a little weight to it, you know. It has little weight, you know. It's heavy, kind of, compared to the other simple box of simple PlayStation 5 controller. Okay, let's just pull this box out. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to. Yeah. I'm gonna have to. Okay, all right, so this white box is open. It has a little brand, you know. Last time when we opened the box of a DualSense charging station, that didn't have a logo, the PlayStation logo that this one had. This is kind of like a premium packaging, you know, compared to the DualSense charging station. They were like kind of like cheap, you know. It was like cheap packaging. But this seems premium. Okay, this is the box. Now let's just open this. All right, now we got I think it's the cover, right? So everything that should be in this box. Oh, wait a second. There are instruction manual. I think there's an instruction manual, and that's it. That's just an instruction manual, and that's basically it inside the box. And then we got this. I'm gonna look at it in a minute. So we got a instruction book, right? It's in different languages. Yeah, instruction manual. So, okay, instruction manual. We're gonna put this aside, and let's unwrap this. Oh, I like the feeling of this. You know, this wrap. This is a different feeling that we got with the PlayStation 5 Pro box. That's a different kind of bag. So the wrap is different. Okay. All right. Now let's just. Oh, I like this box. You know, it's a plastic box. That's nice, right? Cool. All right. So what do we have here? Oh, I thought it was kind of a button or something, but it's soft here in the middle. Anyways, this is looking nice. All right, now let's just open this. We got two zippers here, and there's a little clip to hang it somewhere. I think hang it on your bag maybe. All right, let's just open this, unzip this, and all right. Wow, nice. Sorry, my bad. Okay, I did not know it was so loose. Okay, so first we're gonna look at this side of the box. We have, I think these are the cable, right? These are the cables. I think it's multiple cables. These are multiple cables. Actually, wait. It's only one single cable, USB to Type-C. And the quality of this is really good, actually. It's really good, and I think it's a pretty long cable. This is nice, right? Okay. And we don't have anything here anymore. Okay, let's see the controller itself. Let's unwrap this. Now this is the kind of wrap that we got with the PlayStation 5 Pro. Now let's just put that aside. Okay. And now we get the controller. Actually, I think it's lighter than my. I think it's. Wait a second. Let me see something. I think it's a bit lighter than my simple PS5 DualSense controller. No, actually, it's a bit heavy. Anyways, okay. So we got this premium feeling, right? You know, see that? This is really cool. Nice. Oh, and these are the buttons as well. So these are buttons. We got the same wireless charging pins, and we got aux port. And in the back, we got a place for the buttons, and then we got these trigger sensitivity buttons. Okay. All right, and then we got here is, I don't know what that is. It's is that a pen or something? It says what does it say? Release something. I don't know. Maybe it's a lock or something. I don't know. Anyways, so I think if I press this here, I can pull these. Pull these joysticks. Okay, anyways, all right, I'm gonna look at it later. Now we got a, what do we have here? Oh, we got I think it's a full rack of stuff, right? Or I can, wait a second, I can pull these separately. So these are the triggers that goes in the back. And oh, these are the other triggers that go, and these are made of steel, I think. Yeah, these are definitely made of steel. This is not made of plastic. Nope, it's made of steel. Okay. All right, it's made of metal, some sort of metal. I don't know if it's steel, but these are the caps of the joystick. We got 4 of them here, and then we got a lock for the cable here. Okay, so we've got a lock for the cable. Yeah, this is nice. All right, and that's basically it we got for our controller. Okay, let's just put these here, and that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any comments, please let me know. I will be happy to read them and reply them. And if you want me to try to buy anything, let me know in the comments, please. Thank you.